Risk management in agricultural enterprise. Farming is inherently risky due to independence on unpredictable factors like weather, pests, and market fluctuation. Good risk management is essential for any agricultural enterprise to ensure financial stability and sustainable stability. So, ang pag-farming day is delikado labi na kay dili na to ma-predict ang panahon. Tapos sa good risk management is importante gini siya kaayo para sa lahi na negosyo sa pang-agrikultura. To ensure financial stability and sustainability. Tapos, here's breakdown of key areas of risk in agriculture and some strategies to address them. So, kaning mga type of risk. So, kaning production risk. This includes weather events, drought, floods, pests, disease, and equipment breakdown. So, kaning sa production risk, muna siyang mga likado like sa mga weather, like sa mga baha. Tapos kanipong sa mga pest o mga disease. Mo po siya risky sa production. O kaning mga pagkaguba sa mga gamit, mga aning equipment breakdown. So, kaning market risk, yung fluctuation in commodity prices, changes in consumer demand and competition. So, ang market risk is kanang pag-usab-usab sa mga presyo o sa mga consumer, sa mga demand o competition. So, financial risk, management of debt, interest rates, and access to credit. So, kaning saan mo pag-manage sa imong utang, sa imong interest rates. Tapos, kaning institutional risk, change in government policies, regulation, and environmental standard. So, kaning pag-usab-usab sa mga government nga mga polisiya o mga regulation sa puni. Tapos, kaning human risk, kaning namatyan ka or nagdaot or unsa ba ka muna maka-disrupt sa operation. So mo to.
Risk management strategies. There are 3 strategies. First is risk reduction, second is risk sharing, third is risk retention. Risk reduction is implement practices to minimize the likelihood of negative events, like palesen ang pollution, degradation of soil, water and air na maka-affect sa crop. And this can be involved the crop rotation, proper storage, preventative maintenance, and biosecurity measure. Crop rotation aims na ma-improve ang soil health. Proper storage they play crucial because they maintain their quality and prevent losses. Preventative maintenance or PM is a proactive approach to maintaining equipment and system. And through this preventive maintenance is ma-extend ang life sa equipment if possible na unexpected breakdowns. Biosecurity measure is prevent introduction and spread of harmful organisms such as pathogens, pests, and invasive species in agricultural settings. Second is risk sharing. Transfer some of the risk to another party. Crop insurance is a common example, but they can also be contracting with buyers or forming producers cooperative. So, sa another or risk off to another party, gonna involve na siya dira og contract, which is risk shared. While ang crop insurance most common siya because it protects the farmers against the losses and raising natural calamities, plant disease and pest infestation of their palay or corn crops and others. Third and last is rest retention. Set aside financial reserves to cover potential losses. Much better na naa kay funds para for any losses or kanang lugi. Then, this required sound financial planning and budgeting. Para ani is careful lang when it comes to budgeting and financing planning. By implementing a combination of these strategies, agricultural enterprises can become more resilient and secure in the face of inevitable challenge. Thank you.